Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making an Italian buck. This is a creation of Jamie Boudreau. It's an Italian buck because it has Italian ingredients. It has Cynar, which is a bitter artichoke liqueur, and it has Amaro Montenegro, which is an Amari. Well, they're both Amaris. And a buck is a drink served with lime and ginger ale or ginger beer. So, Italian buck. Let's get into the drink. Going to use my favorite shaker. I have rarely used it on the channel before because, for obvious reasons, it's tiny, but it's ridiculously tiny. But it's cool. It's really, I love it. Absolutely love it. I've only used it a handful of times, but I still really like it. It's by a company called Yukawa, a Japanese company. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. So, Cynar, artichoke, bitter liqueur, 1.5 ounce, 45 ml. I do have hesitations with this particular recipe because all three ingredients do have a bit of sugar in it, so therefore it feels like it's going to be sweet. But in saying that, it has more lime juice than your average buck, so it should balance it out. But it's still going to have that intense sort of sugar and sweetness. Amaro Montenegro, same measurement, 1.5 ounce, 45 ml. And I'm feeling pretty jolly in today's video because I've literally just finished filming a celebration video, 7 shots for 700k. So I'm going to probably publish this one first, so make sure you stay tuned for the next one that's coming up. And the reason why I'm going to publish this one first is this is a teaser because a lot of the shots that I have feature Amari, not Cynar, but Amaro Montenegro, Campari, Fernet Branca. So yeah, so if you like this video, you should like the shots that I'm going to film, that I have filmed, that will be published after this video. All right, so fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce. Why am I measuring on that side? What is that? This is a new jigger too, so I'm getting used to the lines. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml. So 30, no, that's 22.5. Into the shaker. And I forgot to turn my ice machine on, so I'm using a silicone ice mold for my cubes. This is my backup ice. And it's probably the first time on the channel that I've actually forgotten to turn on the ice machine. So ice is a little bit cloudier, cubes are bigger, but this Tavolo ice mold has actually caused me to doubt why I purchased an ice machine. Like if I'm making cocktails, then especially in the studio, especially at home, probably could have just used some ice molds that cost me $10 instead of thousands of dollars. I'll leave a link to the ice molds in the description below. They're really good. They're perfect size for shaking, straining, and serving your drinks. I feel ridiculous with this thing. You don't need to shake it too long because I'm just trying to combine and chill it slightly. I don't want to over dilute the drink because I'm serving it over ice as well. Honestly, this is the reason I probably bought an ice machine, because my cubes are a little bit clearer. That's probably the only thing. And I can make a lot of ice all at once for all my friends. Okay, ginger beer. This one's already open because I filmed this a second ago and realized that I didn't have my microphone on. Top it up with ginger beer, 3 ounces, 90 ml, gentle. Get in there. No, it doesn't want to. No. And for garnish, I'm using spent lime. Reason being is because A, I don't have any more, and B, I'm not wasteful. So, piece of spent lime and serve with straw. There you have an Italian buck by Jamie Boudreau. As I said, I was a little bit hesitant because of the amount of sugar, but Jamie knows his shit. What? Intense, like the Cynar, the bitterness of that comes through. It's an intense drink because you've got quite a bit of sugar, quite a bit of lime, balance it out. It's yum. It's really tasty, but I don't know if I could have like 2 or 3 of these. It's hard to describe the flavors because there's complex flavors from the 2 different Amari. It's just a bit of sweet, limey, gingery. It's a good drink. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for my next video. I'll see you soon. Cheers.